Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check the OS, at least 2 GB RAM and sufficient disk space. Enable virtualization when needed. Once ready, assign a static IP or configure dynamic DNS so clients can find the server. Next, pick a VPN protocol, WireGuard for performance, OpenVPN for broad client support, because that decision shapes keys, ports, and firewall rules. Now install the chosen package and its dependencies. Make sure package sources are trusted before proceeding. You will generate cryptographic material. Create keys for WireGuard or a certificate authority and server certs for OpenVPN, and then restrict file permissions so secrets stay safe. Once keys exist, edit the server configuration. Set the listen port, define the VPN subnet, push DNS to clients, and list allowed IPs or routing policies. This is where connectivity rules live. Then update firewall. Open the chosen UDP/TCP port and add NAT or masquerade so VPN client. You now generate client credentials and assemble client configs, embedding the server public key, endpoint address, and precise routes. Only push what each client needs to reduce exposure. Once configured, connect a client and test. Ping the server, confirm the outward public IP changed, and verify DNS resolves properly. If anything fails, check server and client logs for handshake errors, ensure firewall and NAT rules allow traffic, and confirm port forwarding or ISB blocks aren't interfering. Those are the usual culprits to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.